Good evening. In this cocktail school we are now developing a new drink, mixed drink based on vodka, which is Soviet vodka, not Russian, but it's Soviet. Well, and it starts as a development of renowned cocktail called the screwdriver, which is basically a combination of orange juice and vodka mixed together in ratio of 1:2, 1 dose of vodka. But in this case we are using something a bit more potent, not more potent vodka, but more potent juice, lemon juice. So we just start with measuring 1 dose of vodka, and from the same measure measuring 2 doses of squeezed lemon juice, which has very strong flavor. And to mix it all up, let's add some few pieces of ice, just to keep it cold, because mixed drinks usually are drank cold, they aren't usually warm. And this is not a cocktail, if I remember right. Cocktails demand at least 3 ingredients, and ice is not technically an ingredient. And just mix it all up to get it nice color. Coloration, something like a lemon juice with some ice tinkling on it. Glass can be about anything, I used quite tall one. So let's just have a taste of the angle grinder. The cold vodka doesn't have much flavor. You can actually drink it neat without feeling really sick, if it's really freezer cold like this is Soviet vodka. And the bite of the lemon juice actually completely masks the taste of alcoholic beverages behind, meaning that you can just guzzle this up like you would drink normal lemon juice, which of course means that you're quite hardcore if you can drink lemon juice all by itself, raw. But if you can do that, you can guzzle angle grinders just as well. Cheers, have a good summer.